For, for a closing song, let us all stand and sing, For God so loved the world. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son to die on Calvary, from sin to set me free. Someday